There's a rumble in the courtroom, a whisper in the street. French and English lawyers finally gonna meet. Quebec's got a code now that Napoleon wrote down. Rest of Canada's lost, wandering this town. Hey now, what's that sound? Everybody stop and look around. What's that sound? What's that sound? Everyone look what's going down. Two legal systems in one land, common law and civil code hand in hand. What's that sound? What's that sound? Something's breaking through the crown. Common law says precedent, one judge makes the rule. Everybody's stuck with that, that's how they play it cool. But Quebec's code is written in stone forevermore. Supreme Court can't touch it, they can't change what's in the law. Hey now, what's that sound? Something's shifting underground. What's that sound? What's that sound? Everyone look what's going down. Napoleon's law, British rule, dividing people like a legal tool. What's that sound? What's that sound? Something's breaking through the crown. Long ago, Crown said we'll decide for you. That's all you need to know. French don't like the English, English don't like French, but the Crown made that happen on a government bench. Louisiana kept the code, one state in the USA. They know just what to do now, they found a better way. Canada could be the 51st, no more crown control. Natural law for everybody, body, mind and soul. What's that sound? What's that sound? Everyone look what's going down. French and English, First Peoples too. United we stand, divided we're through. What's that sound? What's that sound? Freedom's finally coming round. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going